In October 2023, amidst the breathtaking Montana mountains, a THRIVERY Experience emerged, giving life to its inaugural retreat, Ascend. Surpassing all expectations, this transformative event brought together over a dozen women in an immersive experience that left them empowered to uncover the visions and dreams that echoed in their hearts. Ascend transcended the typical retreat experience. It evolved into a shared odyssey of self-discovery, where every woman discovered a supportive sisterhood dedicated to the pursuit of an elevated life. The memories forged during Ascend will be cherished as an endearing chapter in THRIVERY, and we're doing it again this year. I'm thrilled to announce the upcoming THRIVERY Experience for 2024. INNERMOST. INNERMOST will be held at an exclusive luxury property in 30A, Seaside, Florida, on September 20th through the 22nd. The beach home is a haven of luxury in a coastal paradise, nestled in the charming and iconic town known for its pastel homes and white sand beaches. This spacious property is brand new, has lavishly appointed bedrooms and bathrooms, a custom-designed kitchen, and multiple common areas. The nearby beach is full of tranquil coastal charm, and the picturesque town is brimming with shopping, restaurants, and more. For more information and to save your spot, visit thrivery.store.